Welcome back to the new video. Today I'll be talking about web development. In web development, basically this is on web. So I just wanted to show what is web development and all that thing. So this is the web. Whatever you see that is written, this is HTML tutorial. This is for the HTML that you are seeing. What is the color here? Green. What is the color here? Black. What is the color of the text? Uh, Black, and somewhere white, somewhere here is button, here is next button. All that is created by the web development thing. So how will you create a website? That will be learned in this tutorial. So I'll be posting each day by day one video. So this is our first video in HTML. So let's try with the HTML thing. So as you can see, I'll be going through W3 school, and I'll be provide you the best tutorial for the web development. And I'll just try something. Let's make it. So let's save it somewhere. Let's open the notepad. Oh, my computer is something slow. So let's leave it. So as you can see, the content written in the web page, this is here written easy learning with HTML, try it yourself. So this is, you can see, you are viewing reason behind you are basing this content. It is written in the HTML. So we have the doc type HTML tag. This is basically the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. So we are writing the HTML language. HTML is a hypertext markup language. So we are giving the HTML, and then head, what will be the head of the page, and then another closing head, like we have seen in C++, like curly brashes, whenever you open and bracket and then closing the bracket, like that. And we have the body section, we have the heading section, H1 for heading and P for the paragraph. Okay, so just let's try it once. You'll be seeing, so page title, what will be the page title? Page title, whatever you can give, like whatever your site's name, like www.google.com or something else. And this is the body, right? So this is heading. If you wanted to change this heading, like you are seeing the output here, this is heading and this is paragraph. So suppose I'm giving here some storage, right? Some storage, and then run. So you can see here some storage, right? And storage, put some storage here. Storage, like you can put anything as storage. Suppose I'm searching here the stories. It's taking time. Nowadays, suppose that this is a story, like let's try something. Suppose I'm copying this all the content. Like suppose this is a story, right? Control C, and then go back to the compiler, and then in the paragraph section put all the things that you have copied. Okay, this is the opening paragraph tag, and this is the closing paragraph tag, and then we are just closing the body and then HTML tag. Let's run. As you can see, some storage, a story or narrative is connected to series of events told through words. All about the thing, whatever you will be written in the heading section, whatever you will be written in the paragraph section, you can see as in content as a in the web page, right? So this is the thing. You can also give some headings 1, headings 2. So suppose I'm giving heading 2, heading 2. Okay, heading 2, my stories, my story, right? So close the heading whenever you given the heading, close the heading. That is basically closing tag. All right. So let's see and then run. This is, you can see these things are bolds, and then this is small. My story, some stories, my stories, right? Like that you can give. Okay. So let's move into the next topic. So you have seen all about. This is the structure of the HTML. Basically, firstly we have the HTML tag, then the heading section, and then we have the title, and then we have the body, right? Then we can give the heading, we can give paragraph under that, all about this. So we will see in the Visual Studio Code. I will be running all the codes in the Visual Studio Code later. I just shown you the introduction about the web development and the HTML things. So this is all about that. All right. You can put it in notepad also, search notepad, uh, notepad. This is notepad. Copy these things, control C, open the notepad, control V, and save it as a .html file, right? Whatever, give the name and .html file, right? So suppose I am giving my first html dot, save it as a .html because it's a html things, right? Then it will be run. Without that will be not runnable in the browser. So run, and then run from here. Let's cut it all the things. As you can see here, this is saved as a Chrome extensions, right? So to see whatever the content written in the HTML things, you can see in a web page. That's why it is saved as a Chrome extension that you'll be viewing as a web content. So let's open it. I just opened, and you can see some stories, my story, a story or narrative, and all that thing. You'll wish viewing more about the web development, the CSS, and all other things, all these stuffs in the next videos. Keep patience and keep watching my videos. You'll be learning web development. As a manner, whatever I have the knowledge about the web development, I'll give you. Thanks, folks. Thank you.